Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Electrical World. Let us discuss an interesting fact related to previous topic. If you had not seen the previous video, the link is in the description. Please watch it. Do you know why birds won't get electrocuted even they are standing on the transmission lines? Don't worry. Let us discuss about it. Usually, electricity flows from higher potential to lower potential. The difference between higher potential and lower potential is called the potential difference. Because of birds standing on the same transmission line, the potential is same throughout the line, that is, the potential difference is zero across the legs of birds. So, the birds won't get electric shock, as their body offers high resistance. But, if the birds got in touch with a neutral wire, or line wire of different potential, or in contact with the earth, it experience shock. Thank you for watching the video.
Subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon for more video updates.